Okay, we've got our regular visitors now again, our king parrots. This is a pair that have been coming on and off for the last 4 or 5, maybe 6 years now. We don't see them all the time, a couple of times a month usually at this time of the year. I don't know if they're on the nest or not and just coming for a bit of a feed, but we've had very heavy rain over the last 2-3 weeks and there might be a bit of a shortage of food on the ground, so they come here, as I say, every couple of weeks for a bit of a free feed. That's the female, Olive, and there's the male. You can see more spectacular in colour. Beautiful birds. Very quiet, very timid. They'll stay for about probably 10, maybe 15 minutes, have a feed, and then they'll take off. We might see them again this evening. Probably not. See if I can get them both in the frame. Won't see that very clearly. Isn't it exciting watching birds eat? They're watching us. Okay, let them get on with their feeding.